All right, let's try to summarize what we've learned about the prototype design pattern. So first of all, to implement a prototype, all you have to do is you have to construct an object. You can partially construct it or you can fully construct it, and then you can store it somewhere so that you can replicate this. And then the question is, well, how do you clone the prototype? And there are different ways of doing it. One is where you implement a deep copy yourself. You implement the functionality yourself, for example, by making copy constructors all over the place, or making some sort of iPrototype interface and defining a deep copy member on that interface, and then implementing that interface in every single object of the entire hierarchy that you want to copy. And that is perhaps too complicated a way of doing a prototype. So the simpler way is to take the object graph, serialize it, and deserialize it. Serializers are very useful because they actually traverse the entire object graph, and so this is a nice and simple way of actually making a deep copy of an object. And once you've made a copy of the object, all that remains is for you to customize the resulting instance and actually start using it in your code.